I've got two of my best helpers here, Redrick and Jack. It's been a long week. Jamie is off in California, so you're stuck with the boys right now. But we did a bunch of stuff. We're gonna kind of recap the week, show you some stuff you may not have seen in the regular videos. And then I've got some footage from Jamie in California where she's doing some fun projects out there, getting ready to teach her classes. Jamie likes this pinkish, peach colored dishware.
I have these turquoise ones, but these are really cute for spring, and for whatever reason, we go through a lot of glassware. I don't know what the deal is, but we need some new ones, so.
Random stop, not on the list.
Not on the list. Say hi, Zeb.
Hi.
This is what you do when it's late and you got to get a project done. It's 9 o'clock at night. We are at the Home Depot trying to make things work. You guys want to see all our pretty flowers? Look. Ta-da. On the bottom of that cart is a gas grill, and Zeb thinks he's going to jerry rig that into a gas fire pit. We'll see.
I don't think it's happening.
It's happening?
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen?
It's gonna happen.
Let's find some rock.
Let's find some pretty rock. I'm not seeing any.
We're not finding any pretty rock situations happening here. Well, is this white rock right here?
Maybe.
Large snow white pebbles.
Those look like huge rocks though.
I don't know your life. I don't know what you're doing.
They'll work, we'll try them. 318.
No, it's 1098 right there.
Whoa, I gotta rethink this. I gotta look more.
I think these will work.
We got pond pebbles, we got beach pebbles.
Do we want to be on the beach? Do we want to be in the pond?
Ash
What's the river rock?
that's black. Let's do that.
And then we'll do a white.
They're smooth, like river rock is
okay,
smooth.
and then we'll do white paint.
Yeah, it's the same price as those white rocks, but I like it.
This is the Jami camera. This is my phone, so hopefully it looks good. All right, so we're trying a new product. We can neither confirm nor deny, but it's indoor-outdoor water-based sealer. So we'll let you know if it sucks or if it rocks.
Emphasis on water-based.
Water-based, yeah, because we're going to be using it over our paint, so we just want to make sure that the sealer is not going to have any adverse reactions. Look how pretty all these flowers are. Let's hope they survive. We've been told that they have this at the dollar store, but I don't know if it's the same kind, so we're just gonna get the Never Wet from Home Depot. I've used it before. It's like $15, and it will make our fabric water resistant. What does Zeb say?
We will see. I'm just getting a 4x4 for...
Look at that, carrying it one shoulder. I get stuck pushing the cart.
Gotta make some hanging planters and some stands for all these plants.
We're here, we're here. We're at Debbie's Design Diary in Solana Beach. Or not we, I guess it's just me. Zeb's at home taking care of the kids. I thought you guys might like a little tour of the shop. So we have the jewelry bar. And then there's some DIY situation happening here. You can make your own sign out of these cool old license plates. This one's from Utah. Sea urchin cupcakes. If you guys follow Debbie's Design Diary, then you've probably seen some of this furniture on her channel. Here's the project room. You can come into Debbie's shop. You can find one of the projects on the wall and then just come have fun and play. Right now it's a little bit messy, but that's just because they're remodeling the shop and getting ready for my class that's in 2 days. So this is Melissa's cute space. If you guys come to the shop, you'll get to meet Melissa. She helps run everything here. She has a really fun style. She hand painted these wings. I'm sitting here at Debbie's shop waiting for paint to dry. I am painting this hutch here, but I don't want to paint this while I'm in front of people because painting the inside is a pain in the bum. So I'm getting this done ahead of time, and then my class is going to be on the outside of the piece. Here, Debbie's around here somewhere. There she is. So let me move the camera up. Say hi.
Are we on candid camera? What is this, YouTube?
This is my vlogging.
Is the tube?
This is my weekly vlog.
Hey, we look good like this.
Yeah, we look like more like that. Oh,
Yeah.
that like takes 10 years off of us. Hold on,
We're
there we
so
go.
excited to have Jami here.
I'm excited to be teaching. It's gonna be so fun. I'll try to vlog. Well, I guess I can. Maybe somebody else will video me
No,
when
we'll
I'm actually
definitely,
teaching.
we'll get some of Jami's class for sure. I'll do it.
Hopefully, it's good.
I'm gonna fill in for Zeb, so I'm gonna.
You're just
I'm gonna
a
try and
little
act
bit
like
shorter.
Zeb, yeah. Yeah, but I can pull my hair back and put a ball cap on.
We could shave your hair.
No.
We don't want to do that. I love your hair.
You guys got to start doing the cool slow-mo stuff that I've been doing. People love that.
He put some slow-mo shots in one of our videos. I don't know which one.
Thanks for following along as we go through our week. It's been a lot of fun doing these vlog videos. We really enjoy them, and it's a fun recap for you guys to see kind of some behind the scenes that we don't normally do. If you've got some projects you need to work on, or you just wanting to paint something, make sure you're heading over to jamirayvintage.com. We've got all your DIY supplies there for you. Jami and I aren't going to be doing a thrift store haul tomorrow night because she's in California. Still be checking out that channel. Make sure you've got that bell notification hit so that you can get notifications on when our live videos come out, because she's going to be going live live with Debbie from Debbie's Design Diary in California tomorrow night. I just got karate chopped.
Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage
For what?
for more DIY.
We'll see you guys next week.
Bye. Bye, guys. Hit the subscribe button.